In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Skype subscription in just about 5 minutes. Navigating subscription services can be a bit tricky sometimes, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple steps to help you cancel that Skype subscription quickly and hassle-free. Let's dive into the process. First things first, we need to get to the Skype website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to Skype's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. If you're not already signed in, Skype will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Go ahead and log in so we can move on to the next step. After signing in, take a look at your Skype interface. You'll see 3 dots, or what we often refer to as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This is where all your personalization and account settings reside, making it a crucial step in managing your Skype subscription. Once you're in the settings menu, look for and click on your account. This section consolidates all your account specific information and subscription details. It's like the control panel for your Skype account, so it's exactly where we need to be for the next step. Now here's where we directly address the subscription aspect. Inside your account settings, you should see an overview of your current subscription on the left side. It will be listed among other account details, but it's not too hard to find. Once you spot your subscription, you'll have the option to manage or cancel it directly from there. Typically there will be a cancel subscription or similar button. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. Cancelling a subscription might prompt you with a few confirmation steps. This is Skype's way of making sure you're intentional about the cancellation, and it also provides you a chance to review the benefits you might be losing access to. Follow through the prompts carefully, confirm your cancellation, and voila, you've successfully cancelled your Skype subscription. Before we conclude, here are a couple of tips to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you're cancelling at least a day before your next billing cycle to avoid unwanted charges. Also, after cancelling, Skype might offer you some deals or discounts to stay. Decide what's best for you before making any hasty decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to cancelling your Skype subscription, no fuss involved. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.